right, so we're here in Clear Choice Design. I have a 458 over here. It's actually one of my favorite Ferraris, but yeah, we're getting some PPF fixed and adding slip load to the bottom of the bumper, or bottom of the front lip, because damn, dude, I'd be scraping all around San Diego. But yeah, this is Clear Choice Design out here in Tucson, Arizona. Yeah, so got some cool cars in here right now. Looks like a Raptor over there as well. They work on a lot of high-end exotics out here. So if you're in that Tucson, Arizona area, Clear Choice Design is the place to go, because they wrapped my side skirts in the satin PPF, my mirror caps, the Blitz carbon intake that I have, an engine bay, my front lip, and they did my rear wing as well. And it's all held up for all the road trip mounts that I use. So yeah, we're gonna get that done. I'll pick the car up later. It also needs a wash because it rained like hell yesterday. You can see the car's super dirty. But yeah, after that, I'll just attach it all in one video. But my exhaust is also coming today. So I have the new XR mid pipe coming. We're gonna get that installed at the dealership. We're gonna get the white leather seats installed as well in the car. So if you're wondering why previous owner didn't take care of those seats, you can see paint's being removed from the seats. All right, so the car looks good as ever after getting a fresh wash. Got the slip low on the front bumper. Now I'm gonna head home, wait for my package to come with the XR Japan mid pipe. I am gonna do a separate video with that, doing a sound difference, so you guys can vote on which one you think sounds better. All right, so welcome back to the parts room. So I'm starting to unbox the exhaust, and this is the best packaging that I've ever seen for an exhaust. Not only is it completely bubble wrapped and sealed, but they also come individually packaged on top of that. So yeah, I'm gonna unpackage this and show you guys the full exhaust when I take it out. And then you'll see over here also have the new leather seats that are gonna be going in as well. So we're gonna be getting the exhaust with the new leather seats installed all at the same time. All right, so looking at it now, the current setup, GT House does not have resonators on it, and the frequency and the droning around 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs, if you have an exhaust that is straight through at the axle back portion, is kind of getting a little too much for me. So I did want a resonator to kind of quiet out those very annoying drone sounds. You can see they have their own on here. They're not too big, so I think it's still gonna give me a nice loud sound. There's the official XArts plaque on there. And I guess the big difference really here is the GT House claims that it's both H and X pipe. I don't know if I believe that. When you look at it, it just looks like it's an H pipe. But here you can see we have a really nice X pipe. It does tailor down to a smaller diameter, I believe, for the X pipe portion, which they claim makes it a little higher pitched as well. So we'll see when I do the exhaust comparison video. So I think that'll change the tone as well. I'm really interested in seeing how much different it sounds. All right, so we just got the car back, just doing a little bit of driving around. First thing I have to tell off the back is the seats, nice and white. They are a lot stiffer until they kind of, wear in. So they were already giving me that warning when I first picked up the car. So I am going to get these coated as soon as possible with like an 18-month ceramic kind of coating on the leather. I think that'll be really helpful. I'll just keep doing that every 18 months. Then right now I'm just driving around with the new exhaust as well, just to hear how much different it is. It still has a good amount of loudness to it, although it has resonators. So I'll probably have to do a highway test with that and get back to you guys on that. But right now I also am going to finish off the exhaust comparison video that I have created. All right, so let's take a look at the new seats after they are installed. Looking really nice. Like I said, the seats are a little stiff right now, but as the leather breaks in, they'll become a little softer like they were before. Here's the passenger side as well. We just changed the bottom, so you can see how that compares to the old new top. So it looks really good. And here is the bill. So it looks like for the installation of the leather seats, it came out to $1,099 in labor. And that is for the bolsters on the driver's side, the seat bottom on the driver's side, and the seat bottom on the passenger side. Now the seats are in 3 pieces. The third piece is the actual center section that has a perforation on it that you lean your back against. I didn't get those new. All right, so this is the new exhaust, keeping the Powercraft Japan axle back portion, but we swapped in the mid pipe from X-Art Japan. This one has a really small resonator on it. I think I can very faintly hear the difference that the resonator is making with this mid pipe one now.